The world is a really, really big place. Think of a soccer ball. It is hard to imagine, but the Earth is like a soccer ball that floats in space. The Earth is a globe. Globe is another name for a ball. The green and yellow parts are land. The blue and white parts are water. The part in the red circle is Africa. We live on the bottom part of Africa. Africa is a continent. This picture of Earth is what astronauts see when they are looking at Earth from space. Space is the universe. Think of a soccer field as space. Earth is the blue soccer ball. The big yellow circle is the sun. The sun is not a planet. It is a star. It's our star. It gives us heat and light and makes plants grow. It is the star closest to Earth. Stars do not move in space. They are fixed in one place. A star is not made of rock. A star is made of gas. A star is made of very, very hot gas. That is why the sun feels hot when it shines on us. The gas in the star is so hot that it burns our skin even from very far away. If we could cool a star down so that it does not burn us, it would still not be possible to walk on it. It would be like trying to walk on a cloud. We cannot walk on clouds. Look at the soccer field. The field is like space. The sun is the big yellow ball. The red ball is the planet Mars. Planets move around the sun. The white ball is the planet Venus. If you look up into the sky just after sunset and sunrise, you might see a very bright star. That star is actually not a star. It is the planet Venus. Next in line is Earth. Mars, Venus, and Earth are rocky planets.